Hello everyone, this is Deepa. Welcome to Learn Social Science. I'm here with the answers of MCQs and an explanation which I have given earlier. So let's start. Which one of the following is a non-renewable resource? Option number 1 solar energy, option number 2 water, option number 3 soil and option number 4 natural gas. इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा है जो कि नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स है? सोलर एनर्जी, वाटर, सॉइल, all three are the renewable resources. One is left, that is natural gas, option number 4, that is the correct answer. Natural gas is a non-renewable resource. Which one of the following is a human made resource? Option number 1 medicines to treat cancer, option number 2 spring water, option number 3 tropical forest, option number 4 none of these. इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा है जो कि ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स है? तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 स्प्रिंग वाटर नेचुरल, ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट नेचुरल, नन ऑफ दीज कांट बी द आंसर. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Medicine to treat cancer is a human made resource. यानी कि जो मेडिसिन कैंसर को ट्रीट करने के लिए मेडिसिन जो बनाई है वो ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स है. वो खुद से नेचुरली बन के नहीं आई है, ह्यूमन ने अपने एफर्ट से बनाई है. Question number 3. Which one of the following mineral is referred as a black gold? Option number 1 coal, option number 2 iron, option number 3 petroleum and option number 4 is zinc. So which one is known as black gold? Coal, wrong answer. Iron, no. Zinc, can't be black gold. So option number 3 petroleum is the correct answer, is referred as black gold. Let's move towards question number 4. Which one of the following is not a producer of mica? So when we have learned in the chapter number 3 minerals, power and resource, we have learned that Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh are the producers of mica. So option number 2 is the correct answer, is not a producer of mica. Karnataka is not a producer of mica. Even Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh are produced mica well. Question number 5. The leader of majority party in Lok Sabha is known as. मेजोरिटी पार्टी का जो लीडर होता है लोकसभा में वो क्या कहलाता है? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 स्पीकर, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 प्रेसिडेंट, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 प्राइम मिनिस्टर और चेयरमैन. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3 प्राइम मिनिस्टर. द लीडर ऑफ मेजोरिटी पार्टी इन लोकसभा इज नोन एज प्राइम मिनिस्टर. Question number 6. EVM when used throughout the country for the first time in general election held in. पहली बार EVM कब इस्तेमाल किया गया था देश में जनरल इलेक्शन में, किस ईयर में? सो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 2015, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 2007, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 2004 एंड ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज 1904. So the correct answer is option number 3 2004. In 2004, EVM used throughout the country for the first time in general elections. Now move towards the question number 7. Which one of the following is not a key feature of Indian Constitution? Option number 1 separation of power, option number 2 secularism, option number 3 presidential form of government and option number 4 is federalism. So in the chapter number 1 we have learned that separation of powers, secularism and federalism all are the key features of Indian Constitution. But presidential form of government is not a key feature of Indian Constitution. इस जगह पे क्या होगा हमारा आंसर? पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट अगर होता तो ये हमारा की फीचर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होता, मगर इसमें चेंजेस है प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, ये हमारी इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज Option number 3, presidential form of government is not a key feature of Indian constitution. Judiciary plays an important role because it is. So our question number 8 is that कि जुडिशरी जो एक महत्वपूर्ण अपना रोल प्ले करती है, क्यों? What is the reason behind it? It is option number 1 independent, option number 2 dependent on lawyers, option number 3 dependent on government and option number 4 dependent on minister. तो क्या हमारी जुडिशरी डिपेंड है मिनिस्टर्स के ऊपर? नो. डिपेंड ऑन गवर्नमेंट? अगेन नो. डिपेंड ऑन लॉयर्स? नो. Judiciary is independent. So our answer will be option number 1, independent. Judiciary plays an important role because it is independent in nature. Question number 9. Who is the Chief Justice of India in 2020? Option number 1, M.G. Balakrishna. Option number 2, K.M. Radhakrishna. Option number 3, K.G. Radhakrishna. Or option number 4, Sharad Arvind Bobde. So the Chief Justice of India in 2020 is Sharad Arvind Bobde. So the correct answer is option number 4. Sharad Arvind Bobde is the Chief Justice of India in 2020. Now question number 10, that is the last question. What is the majority of land in India used for? Option number 1, cultivation. Option number 2, pasture. Option number 3, forest. और none of these. यानी कि जो हमारी इंडिया का जो भूमि है उसका मेजॉरिटी पार्ट मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पार्ट किस में यूज़ किया जाता है? पास्चर्स में? नो. फॉरेस्ट? नो. अगेन नो. नन ऑफ दिस कैंट बी द ऑप्शन. मीन्स none of these cannot be the answer. So which one is left? Option number 1, cultivation is the correct answer. For the cultivation, the majority of land in India is used for. Thanks for your responses, students. Please write your score in comment section. And in this activity, student participated and performed well. Now you all are requested to write your score in comment section. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, students. Again, I'll come with a new MCQs questions or with next 10 MCQs. Thank you very much. I'll come soon.